to inform you of the legal action being taken regarding your mortgage. We
Sorry?
have attempted.
Log on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning in to Click React. And guys, I'm happy you're here for this. This is one of one. I've never done this before. I'm about to prank my mom. Guys, I told her that basically, I don't know if you guys seen the other video. If you haven't, go click that right now, man. Go watch that video. It's Jamaican cousin guesses Toronto slang. So I told her basically because she's seen it, and she's like, okay, I don't mind being a part of it. I was like, you know what? I'll try it out with her. You know, content is content, right? So I'm like, yo, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So that's what she's coming in here expecting to do, right? But the prank is actually gonna be that we're losing our home, and I know it's gonna be hilarious. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. You're already here, you made it this far, man. Just support. Turn on post notifications, man. You don't want to miss these type of videos, man. They might be one in many, but they're gonna be here and they're gonna be fire. Drop a like and let me know what you think about the prank. Let me know what you think about the video, man. And if it would catch you, do you think that this prank would get you, and what you would do in the situation if you got a call saying your home is gone, finito, tomorrow streets? What would you do, man? Appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning to Click React. And today I got a special guest, my mom, who's also Jamaican, is here to try and take on the same challenge that you guys probably witnessed my cousin.
I was like, it's about to go down.
What a good, and I thought the ringer was off. I was scared. Oh, so annoying. Hello? Yep, it is him. How may I help you?
Hi, Janine from Home Life calling. How are you?
Home life. I'm alright. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Just before we get into the call, I just want to verify
Um,
your.
is this something that I can? Is this a call I can return because I'm kind of in the middle of something?
I'm actually really glad that I reached out to you because this is urgent.
Okay.
So if I could just get you to verify your home address before you proceed.
It's
Address code, please. Great. So the reason for my call today is to inform you of the legal action being taken regarding your mortgage. We
sorry.
have attempted. So we have begun legal action. We have contacted you several times prior via phone,
I have
email,
not
letter.
received any contact from anybody. This is actually the first I'm hearing of this. Phone number. I have no missed calls from you guys. Is that the only way you guys tried to contact me?
We actually tried to reach out to you via email and letter mail as well.
You received no mail.
Never ever.
Okay. Anyways, if it's that urgent, I mean, I feel like you guys should have got through to us somehow. What is the actual? So you're taking action against our mortgage. You said. What's the issue here?
So at this point, we have documented that you have
When these
missed
people call me
four
waste my time.
consecutive mortgage payments.
What?
So yes, so the past four payments we have not received. We've tried contacting you, like I mentioned previously, and we haven't received a response. So this is a courtesy call to inform you that we have begun legal action.
But you said four payments. That's not even like 6 months. I haven't missed a payment for a year and a half since we purchased this home. So what legal action? Like you guys can't do that right away.
I definitely understand. At this point, you have missed four, and technically, HomeWise is eligible to take legal action following 15 days after the first and eighth missed payment. And as I mentioned before, we have four documented missed payments.
I'm sorry. I'm at a loss for words right now. So what can I do now? Like I don't get it. Is there somebody I can speak to? I know this might not be your department. As I don't want to sound frustrated speaking to you. I know this is not your fault, but like, is there somebody I can speak to?
Yeah, you're correct. I'm only calling as a courtesy. I have put you with a personal mortgage broker that will be able to handle your case. All the information has been forwarded to him, and I have drafted up the email. So you will be receiving an email following our call with all the information. You can contact them directly to ask any questions or any options. I know that it's very common for a lot of people to take out a second mortgage if that's available to them. So that's something you want to look into or call your bank in regards to. Again, I will be sending this email to you after our call. So all that information will be detailed there, and then you can ask them directly any further questions that you have.
All right. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll just do that then.
Okay, well, I'm very sorry. I hope you have a great day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
So what actually happened?
Oh no.
So how comes if you needed help, you didn't say anything to me?
I-
I thought everything was taken care of.
So. Oh.
We always
thought I
share
had-
things, so why did you hide this from
I
me?
thought I had more time. So basically,
Had more time and I'm here. You could have asked me.
but
You
this
could have
is what
talked to me
happened.
and we could have put things together.
Mom,
Why
listen,
did you
this is
wait
what
until you get
happened.
to this
You have
point?
to listen. This is what happened. Okay. I thought we had 6 months, but what happened was, you remember when I went out with Reef and them for my
Yeah.
birthday? So we went to the casino. So we were gambling. So I made a good amount of money that night. Remember, I bought you that
Understand?
bag,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I kept going back on my own because I was like, okay, I was up. So I went up 100,000, but then I lost it. So then I kept trying to go back to win it, and I didn't like.
Yeah, you keep using up your money, but if that happened, you know something will go wrong with the mortgage. You should have said something
I
to me.
wasn't thinking,
We're
man.
always sharing things. We're always doing things together. Why didn't you come to me before?
I don't know.
So what are we gonna do now? Where are we gonna go?
I don't know, Jessica. I don't know, man. This is how cold these people are just to take your house like that. Like, this is so crazy.
Yeah, but you're being careless too. Should have known better.
Mom, I know that, but what we need to do is focus on how we can keep the house now. Like, I'm so hot. I don't even know what to do right now.
So let's make the call or whoever she said, whatever.
Look at the time of day. They're probably not even at the office right now. Like, I don't know. what
Check
to-
your email and see if she sent it to you and there's somebody you can call now. How are we gonna sleep? Do anything now?
Listen, man. I don't know. But all I know this is a prank.
You're kidding me. You're kidding me. You're kidding me.
What, bro? Relax. Relax.
Got him! Got him!
How did you feel? How did you feel? Talk to the camera.
My
I
blood
didn't
pressure
turn
went
this off. I
went
didn't turn this off, you know.
really?
Yeah, I just put my hand over the
My
camera
blood
and I
pressure
pulled
went
down the
up.
window.
I could have a stroke immediately.
You'll be
Something like this.
You'll be. Alright, you get me.
Oh my God.
Would
Good
you-
night. Good night.
Well,
I
hold
don't
on,
want to talk anymore. I don't
hold on.
want to talk anymore.
Will you be tuning back into Click React?
Maybe, maybe not.
Listen, it's okay. You got, and that's what happens to the best of us sometimes. She will be back though, guys, for that actual Jamaican mom guessing Toronto slang. But this was just something I thought of on the fly, and I was like, why
Oh
not
God.
use my
Good
mind?
night. Good
You know
night.
what I'm
Good night.
saying?
Good
But
night.
guys, don't forget to hit that sub, turn on post notifications. They should drop a like, right?
Yeah.
Drop a like. And let me know what you thought about the prank, man. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.